To withdraw from your Zengo wallet, start by navigating to the wallet and clicking the yellow button with an arrow. Next, select the option cell. Then click on Coinify. Here, you can enter the amount you wish to sell, and a rough estimate of the conversion can be seen nearby. After inputting the amount, click Continue. If you want to convert the funds to a different currency, click on the current currency, such as USD, and select the desired currency to receive. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. To proceed, you will need to log in to Coinify. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one by choosing either a personal or corporate account. If you already have a Coinify account, simply enter your email and password to log in. Upon logging in, you can complete the withdrawal process and access your funds from your Zengo wallet.